What'd you say? Oh, we starting. Uh, oh, it's best to be ready so we won't have to get ready. Come on, let's get this meeting on the way. Let's see. We're getting ready to start this meeting. District of Columbia is in the house. Let me get myself together. Oh, who that in there? Coming on in. It's best. What's going on, Doc? Department of Justice here. Yeah. To be ready, get my paperwork together. Yeah, ready so we won't have to get ready. Good stuff going. Let's get this meeting on the way.
Hey, what's going on, G?
Getting ready to start this meeting.
You ready?
District of Columbia is in the house. Let me get myself together. Oh, who that in there? Coming on in. Somebody always running late, Mom. Oh, yeah, I think we're ready to get
Good evening,
started.
gentlemen. The Attorney General is here.
Let's get it started. What's going on? Where we at? We ain't start yet?
No, we ain't start yet.
Okay. Let's make this quick, fellas. FBI, we're in the building. Okay, we are on the record. Meeting 01/2025 getting started. We have the District of Columbia, which I represent myself, the Attorney General on the line. We have the DOJ, Department of Justice, and the FBI, our Attorney General. I believe I said that already. Anyways, matters concerns today. We had an inauguration. President Donald J. Trump is now our president, and Vance, vice president. We are moving forward with executive orders already. Citizenship status, executive orders to stop the gay parades and pride ceremonies. We are on the mission to pardon a few citizens, and executive orders are also being rejected, and lawsuits are being fought up on the administration of Donald J. Trump. And how do we plea today? Yes, I must say, on behalf of the FBI, that I am delighted to be a part of this administration, this new administration. I am delighted and very excited about what has taken place. Us working with the Attorney General, the Navy personnel, and the Army to retrieve the hostages from these foreign countries. Again, I'm delighted to work with this administration. However, there is some pros and cons. The president wants to always rant about who came up with what, or as if whole thing was his whole idea as one entity. But again, I rather be cautious with my words, but you know, we don't want this to get redundant with this power. Once again, he's back in office, and we're grateful for that. We're looking to make America great again. Passing it on to you guys. I, on the other hand, speaking on my behalf as Attorney General, is that we have made the perfect decision by going along with the proceedings of this administration and getting Sleepy Joe out of the White House so that we can comfort him in the right proper bed in a certain nursing home soon. All this time, I'm thinking, this guy has dementia. Ain't that what he was working with? Ain't that what he had? You know, I hate to be funny coming on here, but I'm the Attorney General. And I'm looking at this man walking to the wall, trying to shake the hands to the wall. You know, you can't shake a hand on the wall. I'm watching this man and I'm like, it is a sad day to be Attorney General with him as the president. Sorry to say, but, you know, I can't get in too much trouble because his administration is done. Done. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This might affect some people in here that really worked with Biden. He was a good guy. Don't get me wrong. Watch it, sucker. You know, but it's time for him to be put to bed.
Order to resume the proceeding.